Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Kristi Shive, Warren County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Kristi.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristi, I'm excited to talk about this today because when I worked with homemakers, this was one of my favorite events all year long, and that's International Day.
Yes, we have had the great opportunity of witnessing the wonderful speakers who have come and shared about their countries. This year, we are taking a tour of Cape Town, South Africa. This event will be hosted by the Warren County Homemakers, and our guest speaker, she is Bonita Dearbone. She came to Western Kentucky University in 2001 on a track and cross-country scholarship. She is actually kind of a friend of mine. She's a lot of fun, super joyful, and she is also the aerobics instructor at Bowling Green Parks and Recreation. So she is a familiar face here in Warren County, and she is just going to be sharing a lot of fun facts about Cape Town, South Africa, which is actually the most south tip of Africa. So a lot of fun to be had. Last year, we took a tour of Puerto Rico. We saw a demonstration of fried plantains. We saw a great video of what it's like when you fly on the plane into Puerto Rico. Joanna, this is just a great educational and celebratory event where we get to learn from others, other cultures, other countries, and it's a really good time. And this event is open to the public, so anyone can come.
Is there a cost to attend, Kristi?
No, there is not a cost. We do ask for you to RSVP because we're hoping to have some goodies. Anyone can RSVP. We are asking by February 13th, so call the Warren County Extension Office at 270-842-1681 to reserve your spot.
So, Kristi, a lot of times when we think of homemakers, we think of the service projects and the education and the learning they do, but sometimes we don't consider the international studies, but they actually have that as part of their mission.
Yes, they do. So all throughout the year, they collect funds in their clubs that will go to the Coins for Change program. Our Warren County Homemakers at their International Day every year is the time that they combine those funds collected during the previous year. And the funds for the Coins for Change program end up funding various international service projects. A few, just to name a few, there are so many. The Soul Hope program. That program, the mission is to help aid in foot health for people in Uganda. There's various foot diseases in Uganda. That's a wonderful program. Another one that was done in Monroe County, they raised funds for water filters in the Philippines. And then our Warren County Homemakers, they sewed hundreds of sanitary napkins to distribute internationally to different countries. And it's just a truly wonderful program. So when you come to the event, it's completely free. We do not expect you to give money. You're welcome to, but it is just a wonderful educational, and it's a fun event. It's one of our favorite events, Joanna.
Absolutely, because I think that it's always good when we can learn about other people's cultures, even though we might not get to travel there.
Yes.
We get to learn a little bit from them about their experiences, and I think one, it makes us grateful to live at home, but it also makes us aware of things that are going on internationally. And I think that's one of the things that I love about the homemakers is they see a need and they band together all across the state of Kentucky. I know they gave money for a library in Ghana, and all these really neat projects that are not just helping people in our community, but all around the world.
Yes, and we are so lucky to live in a larger city where we have wonderful people from all over the world who can come and educate us on their country.
Absolutely. Now, Kristi, how long will this event last?
It should only last about an hour, so try to get there a little bit before 11th. Again, that's going to be on Thursday, February 16th at 11 a.m. Give the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office a call to reserve your spot.
All right. Well, thanks, Kristi, for the information, and make sure to mark your calendars for the Homemaker International Day. Thanks for watching and have a great day.